Hello, my name is Connor Pouts. Today I'm going to show you how to set your default Creator Studio. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, YouTube Studio Beta just got released not too long ago, and basically it just makes it all look different, and you might not be used to it. And also, it's really cumbersome, so it takes a while to load up if you're like me and you don't have very good internet. So, I am going to be teaching you how to set your default. So automatically, you can press down here, Creator Studio Classic, but you have to wait for this to start up before you can do that. So I'm just going to show you how to set it as default. So in order to set it as default, you're going to want to navigate to Settings. Now, Default Creator Experience right here, you can set this to Creator Studio Classic. Click on Save, and then the next time you launch into your Creator Studio, it will send you to the Creator Studio Classic. Now click on Creator Studio, it will load up, and then there you go. It's the Creator Studio Classic. Now you would want to do this mainly because there are certain features that are not yet in the Studio Beta, but you can still click on here to try Studio Beta if you want to learn how to use it.